Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this English lesson number 3, we were going to look at 10 different ways to use the word enjoy in a sentence. Let's get started. Okay, so what is the meaning of the word enjoy? It means to take pleasure in something, to find something fun or enjoyable. What did I enjoy most? This means most of everything. They had a great time at the amusement park. They were very happy there. Would you like to come over and have a cup of tea with me? Do you want to drink tea with me? Would you like to enjoy a cup of tea? Here, enjoy isn't followed by a noun or a noun phrase, but we're using it to replace have, which is a verb. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Would you like to enjoy a cup of tea? Right. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. What does it mean, make yourself comfortable? This is an example of enjoying followed by a gerund. It's used to show that you completely agree with what someone has just said. If someone tells you, it's always better to tell the truth. You can respond, I couldn't agree more. Notice that after enjoys, we have a verb plus ing. I'd love to, but I'm busy this week. Would you like to go with me? Yes, I would. When an actor gets into a role, it means that they become that character. And if you did, please click the like button right now and leave a comment below. Tell me, did you learn something new? Did you learn any of those examples? Do you use some of those examples? Have you ever used any of those examples in a sentence? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done it yet, click the subscribe button right now. Click the bell button right now so you receive my videos as soon as I upload them. I'll see you next time. Bye. They transform themselves into that character. They behave like that character. They speak like that character. They move like that character. So it got into the part means to become that character. I would love to go with you, but now is not a good time for me. I am busy. I am busy this week, but next week I'm free. So next week I would love to go with you. We're going to the theater. I would love to go to the theater, or I think that's a great idea. I would love to go to the theater. I would love to go to the theater with you. Swimming, cycling, and playing football are all examples of gerunds. I enjoy walking, playing tennis, and going to the cinema. She enjoys cooking, dancing, and listening to music. And remember that when you enjoy something that involves many activities, many different activities, you can say, I enjoy swimming, cycling, and playing football. Or you can say, I enjoy swimming, cycling, or playing football, because these are alternatives. I enjoy swimming, cycling, or playing football. It means to feel relaxed and at ease. It's like saying, don't be nervous, don't be tense, just relax. When you visit somebody's house, you say, thank you for inviting me. I'm really looking forward to meeting your family. And then the host says, well, please make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. They're telling you, please relax, feel at ease, enjoy your time here. So it was an enjoyable day. And here we have a very important nuance. It's one of his favorite activities, so he enjoys reading books. She enjoys doing housework. I haven't been taking enough time for myself, but I'm going to try to enjoy my weekend. What does it mean to enjoy your weekend? It means to have fun, to spend time doing things that you like, to relax, to take it easy, to have a good time. How do you plan to enjoy your weekend? I'm going to go hiking tomorrow. I love hiking. I'm going to stay in bed until late. I usually get up early, but this weekend I'm going to stay in bed until late. I'm going to have breakfast in bed. My wife is going to make it for me. So I'm going to enjoy my weekend. I know that might surprise some of you, but she does housework every day. She doesn't hate it, she loves it. She enjoys doing housework. I mean, some people enjoy doing housework. Maybe you do too. But if you don't enjoy doing housework, we can say, I don't enjoy doing housework. Notice that we're not talking about one person here. We're talking about more than one person. So they enjoyed their day at the amusement park. Okay, so it's not just one person enjoying, many people are enjoying. So when we talk about many people enjoying, we can say they enjoyed, we can also say we enjoyed. You enjoyed or people enjoyed, okay? But when we're talking about one person, we have to say he enjoyed or she enjoyed. For example, he really enjoyed the movie, or she really enjoyed her holiday. So for example, most of the food, most of the activities, most of the places that I visited in London, which one was the best? Which one did I like the best? Most. That's right, the food. I enjoyed the food most of all. I enjoyed the food more than the sightseeing in the museums. It's an example of how you could respond to this question. Or maybe you didn't enjoy anything. You couldn't choose between them. There were many things that I really liked, but they were all very different. I enjoyed the theater performance most of all. I enjoyed the theater performance more than the others. And it can be followed by a noun or a noun phrase or an activity or experience. Now, before we begin, I would like you to pay attention to the pronunciation of enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy. Now, when it's pronounced like this, it means to enjoy something very much, to like something very much. We add very much to enjoy to emphasize that we really like something. Let's get started. No one. They asked me what I'd enjoyed most about my trip to London. No. 2. They enjoyed their day at the amusement park. No. 3. Would you like to come over and enjoy a cup of tea? Number 4. He enjoys reading books. Likes to read books. He gets pleasure from reading books. No. 5. I've been working too hard recently. No. 6. Excuse me. I hope I'm not interrupting. Come in. No. 7. He enjoys swimming, cycling, and playing football. Number 8. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. What does it mean? No. 9. I think that's a great idea. I think that's a great idea. Would you like to go with me? Number 10. She really got into the part. She really got into the part. What does it mean? Got into the part. Okay, that's the end of this English lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you learned something new.